If you're looking to get started with print on demand using ShopWired, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the main features of ShopWired and how you can use them to build your print on demand business. But stick around until the end, because I'll also share some alternatives that might be better suited to your needs. First up, ShopWired is an e commerce platform that lets you easily set up a store, and it's one of the platforms you can use for your print on demand business. With it, you can design products, automate fulfillment, and create a sleek, professional looking store without much hassle. Next thing, let's talk about the product setup. ShopWired allows you to create a wide variety of products, from apparel to mugs and other print on demand items. The platform's interface is pretty straightforward, but it's essential to connect your ShopWired store to a print on demand provider, such as Printful or Printify, to handle the actual printing and shipping. Setting this up only takes a few clicks, and once it's linked, your customers can order products directly from your store, which will automatically be printed and shipped by your partner. Moving on to customization. ShopWired gives you a lot of flexibility in customizing your store. You can adjust themes, create custom product pages, and optimize for mobile devices. This customization is great if you want your store to stand out, but if you're just starting out, it might take some time to get everything just right. ShopWired's drag and drop builder is user-friendly, but it's not quite as intuitive as some competitors. So if you're looking for something quick, this might take a little learning curve. Next, let's talk about pricing. ShopWired has affordable pricing plans, especially when compared to some of its competitors like Shopify or BigCommerce. For smaller businesses, their basic plan is reasonably priced and offers the essential tools you need to run a store. However, some users have pointed out that the cost can add up if you need access to advanced features, like additional integrations or higher tier plans. This makes it less competitive if you plan to scale rapidly, as some alternatives offer more built-in features without having to upgrade. Another thing to keep in mind is the lack of a built-in marketplace. While ShopWired offers integrations to sell on platforms like eBay or Amazon, you won't have the benefit of a built-in marketplace like you would with Shopify or Etsy. This can limit exposure to new customers unless you invest in paid ads or use other external strategies to drive traffic to your store. The fourth thing you should know about ShopWired for print on demand is the customer support. Reviews about ShopWired's support have been mixed. While they offer email and phone support, response times can vary, and some users have found it harder to get timely help compared to platforms like Shopify, which has 24/7 support. If you're new to e-commerce, having quick, reliable customer support can be crucial, and this is an area where ShopWired doesn't always shine. Lastly, while ShopWired can handle your print-on-demand needs, some other platforms might better align with your long-term business goals. For example, Shopify offers better integrations and scalability for larger stores, while platforms like WooCommerce provide even more customization options. If you're only interested in getting started with print on demand and don't need all the advanced features, ShopWired might be a great choice. But if you're looking to scale or need more advanced integrations, there are alternatives to consider. So, here's the thing. ShopWired offers a decent solution for beginners in the print on demand space, but there are definitely some limitations, especially when it comes to scaling your business. If you're looking for something with more flexibility and better support, I'll leave you with a couple of alternatives that offer free trials. By clicking the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial to ShopWired, but I've also included alternatives that offer more advanced features, better customer support, and faster scalability. So you can really hit the ground running. Through our link, you'll get access to these extended trials and exclusive benefits that are available only to our viewers. Be sure to check them out and decide which one is the best fit for your print-on-demand business.